everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with a set of nails on another human. Doing quite well recently with my friends and family popping in and having their nails done. First of all, I'll just put on some tips from GLITTERBELS, the matte ones. I think these are square matte ones, and I'm just filing them and also blending in the tip. They don't really take much blending because they are really thin. Once I've done that, remove any dust using some alcohol and a brush, and then I'm going to come in with the GLITTERBELS dehydrator and primer, and then we're going to use the TS Beauty Crystal Clear as a base layer on the natural nail. This helps to prevent any staining, and it also helps when it comes to doing an infill. You do want this very, very thin. You don't want a big bulky bit of this. It literally is just a thin layer. Then we're going to come in again with the Tiffany from TS Beauty. This is an absolute perfect Tiffany colour. If you think Tiffany green, this matches it completely perfectly. It's gorgeous, and you want to be laying this down very thin because one, it helps keep the colours last longer for you if you're doing it very thinly, and two, it helps keep the nails thin and you can add the structure using the crystal clear later on. And we're going to put these on all the 10 nails, as that's what my friend wanted. Once we've completed that, we're then going to come in with Azure Crush, and we're going to put this on the pointer finger and your ring finger as an ombre. Just laying that down very thinly and only adding a little bit of glitter to the brush because it's very easily to pick up too much glitter when you're wanting an ombre, especially on shorter nails. So add little as often as you like rather than going in with a big bead. And then we're going to cap all them in the TS Beauty Crystal Clear again, making sure you're putting that structure into the nail. Once we've capped the nails, we then need to file them, and my routine is generally I'll do the side walls, the free edge, around the cuticle area, and then the barrel of the nail. If it needs more, then I will continue to do so, because sometimes it just lays that way, you end up putting a little bit more on one side, but that's my general rule of thumb of filing. Once we've done all the filing, you want to clear all the dust off, anything else, and then this time we're going to actually do some stamping, which I've not done for a while. And we're coming in with Moyu's White Night and a Yours by Sasha Goshen plate. I've no idea, there was no name on this plate, but it is actually just animal print, so I don't know if they name them anymore, but this was one of the first ones they brought out. And we're just going to put this print on all the other nails. And then I'm just going to top coat with a tempering top coat, and then making sure we cure that in the lamp. Once that is cured, then we are going to come in with some alcohol to remove that excess paint around the fingertips. You can use that latex things, but I just don't have any. The one I did buy just didn't work very well, so I binned it and I've never purchased one ever since. This doesn't seem to have any problems anyway. Just getting it off is easily enough with just a bit of alcohol on a lint-free wipe. And these are the nails, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.